How to decrease the space between bullet and text in Microsoft Word. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing I'm going to do here is add some bullet points. So let me just add random names here. So let's just add some fruits: apple, banana, orange, grapes. All right, we have these texts here. So I'm going to select all of them and add bullet points to them. As you can see, there is quite a lot of space in between the bullet point and the text. So in order to decrease that space, what I'm going to do is select all of these. And then from here, you're going to have to click on this bullet point option, right click on it. And here you can see something called Adjust List Indents. Click on this. Now this little pop-up will appear on your screen. Now you can add bullet positions and text indents. So it's 0.25 inches and it's 0.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is select this and set this to 1 centimeter. Do the same thing for text indent. Select this and select this to 1 centimeter and then click on OK. And as you can see, the bullets and text are a lot closer now. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.